You know I love a good DIY, but not today. Sometimes you can walk into the thrift store and you can find home decor so good you don't even have to lift a finger. No sanding, no painting. You just buy it, bring it home, and boom, it looks like it came from a high-end boutique. Today I'm going to show you some thrifted treasures I styled straight into my home. And trust me, you're going to want to hit up the local thrift store after this one. If you're a lover of granny chic style, then this is your vibe. I couldn't believe when I found this at the thrift store. It's so adorable. I'm actually not going to do anything to it. It's in really good shape. There's no chips or cracks in the actual little beautiful woman. The bottom is maybe tarnished a little bit, but I like the look of that. The shade, that dusty rose, 80s color, fabulous. I did a reverse search on this to find out what it is worth. And it can range anywhere from like $50 to $150. They're really collectible because this granny chic craze is really big right now. So I'm not going to do anything to this. I am just going to find the perfect spot to put it in my home and enjoy it. Nothing better than finding a gorgeous mirror for $2.99. It's really dusty. It needs a good cleaning, but it is heavy. The mirror's kind of got a bit of a beveled look to it, but when I flipped it over, it's got like a wooden backing to it, and it says made in England. It's got a really sturdy change holder. I think this is probably really good quality. I have the perfect spot in my home where I want to put this, and what a fantastic find. I couldn't believe I found this at the thrift store for 50 cents. It's got a hand-drawn portrait on a piece of paper. The frame is brass. Look at the back of it. It's got a gorgeous little stand on it. I'm not taking it apart. I'm even going to keep the portrait in it because I think it's just beautiful, and someone has taken so much time. There's no markings. There's nothing on it. If there's anybody out there that might know the date or the age this could be, it's gorgeous, and I was so happy to find it and add it into my home. I've found these little caddies before. This one looks like it probably had like two little spoons that hung from it. What I like to do with them is I like to turn them into propagation stations. So I'll just fill the glass up with some water. I'll put some cuttings in it, put it in a nice bright sunny spot. It's gorgeous, and they keep them contained. You can find these really reasonable. I picked this one up for $3, and this glass is beautiful cut glass too. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray paint this because it has tarnished a little bit. It's not silver, it's just kind of rubbed off a silver plating. I'm going to spray paint it gold, and I'll show you when it's all put together. This is a handmade mirror. It's really solid, heavy pine, and I love it. I'm not going to paint it. I'm going to leave it as is. The mirrors need to be cleaned up a little bit, but I have the perfect spot for it. I have this blank wall in my kitchen, and the previous owners had actually screwed in some holes into the oak, and I don't want to do that, but it's really plain. So I think I'm going to put this up there, and I'm going to use the double-sided tape, and it's going to really hold it up there, and we're not going to have to screw any holes. found the cutest little frame. It's petite and dainty, and it almost looks like it's a handmade or a hand painted watercolor inside. I'm not going to take it apart and find out because I don't want to ruin it. But what I am going to do, I'm going to take the hanger off the back, and I'm going to show you a clever, why am I having a hard time saying clever? I'm going to show you a clever way of upcycling these little frames when you find them. I love finding really good quality trinkets that I can maybe put in a bookcase beside some books or beside a plant or a lamp. And when I found this one, I grabbed it right away, 50 cents. It's marked Bombay on the back, made in India. It's really heavy, so I'm kind of thinking it's probably some sort of a metal, but I have a special spot for it in one of my cabinets in my dining room. I'm going to show you how I'm going to style it. Okay, I am a sucker for handmade doilies, and I have a thrift store not far from here that has all kinds of them. So I always pick up a couple every time I go there, and they never charge any more than 50 cents to $1. So I picked up these 4, and I find with the doilies, I always feel they have a story to tell. Somebody has sat in the evening, maybe in a rocking chair, and crocheted these, and it's taken them hours and hours. And I just feel it's such a shame that they end up getting donated and not given the love that they deserve. This one is gorgeous and a big frill around the outside. I love adding them into my decor in my home or putting them under a plant stand. I picked this pink one up because I think it looks absolutely fantastic underneath my lamp that I scored. So let me know down in the comments. Are you a sucker for vintage doilies or linens? Let me know. This was $1. I love it. I think it's going to be a fantastic plant stand. I have a little ceramic pot. I know it's going to fit in here perfect. I'll display it probably maybe in my living room. So let's get a pot that's going to fit on this, and I'm going to show you how it turns out for $1. Unbelievable. $1 for this. It's got beautiful angels all the way around it. And the little glass dish fits in the middle. It just needs a good cleaning. I think it's going to be perfect for maybe a votive, or I could put some water in it and float a little flower in it. It's gorgeous for $1. I love finding little trinkets like this that I can kind of tuck in around my decor in my home. As you can see, not everything from the thrift store needs a full makeover. Sometimes it's just about seeing the potential and just finding the right spot in your home. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite, and if you've ever scored something amazing that you didn't have to touch. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'm gonna see you with more thrifty goodness in the next video.